Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 8th, 2022. I'm back again. We're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, and it's a big crash coming for this particular market. I want to show you something from the chart that's not hard, that's not confusing, that actually shown us that the change occurred from the price in Bitcoin Cash going up to one of starting a downtrend, or at least going lower. All right, so welcome to the channel. This is what I do. You guys can see it right in front of me. I do price predictions. I make sure that we try to gauge where price is going to go. This is the edge, the competitive advantage that you and I have in order to make money from the cryptocurrency space, right? So if you guys want to join me, welcome. Hit the like button. Should have also subscribe to the channel. I'm not here to give you FUD or FOMO. I simply pay attention to what everybody else is trying to do with their own money. Yeah, you can actually tell from the price chart whether or not people are buying and selling, what the overall consensus is going to be. You guys can actually see it. And I'm going to show you something that occurred in Bitcoin Cash not long after I did my last video, which was on March 22nd. All right, so here it is. Let me zoom in on this real quick. Here it is. I was telling you all that I was looking for Bitcoin's price to go higher, right? But I want you all to pay attention to where price was trading at. Can you see something that is glaringly obvious to us? I'm going to circle it. Okay, because everything that happens on the price chart, we are understanding that it means something. So look at this. What happened here? Right? What went on here? What do you think these trading days mean? I want to show you that I had this horizontal line already plastered on my chart. What did it represent? What did it represent? That line represented where sellers were standing up price. Now, we did the video, right, on March 22nd. I already knew that this particular level, $380, could be utilized as a place that sellers was going to stand up price, meaning that they was going to have a stronghold and not let price trade higher than that. This is what this circle, what I've just circled these trading days represent. This is the sellers showing you that they had a very strong hold on Bitcoin's cash price progression or movement higher. They did not let Bitcoin's cash price go up. They didn't, because we had all of these days, I would say from March 23rd all the way to April the 5th, to see price go up in Bitcoin Cash, and it did not do it. This confirms that that's a very strong point, that the sellers are not letting the buyers overcome. So were you able to take the profitability out the market there? It was only 4 3/4%, but understand, we're not here to tell the market how much money we want to make. We cannot do that. We don't have that capacity to tell the market what we want. The market was only willing to give us 4 3/4%, at least from when I did the video to today's date. That was the only thing that it was willing to give us. Did you do that? Did you grab or nibble off of that profitability? Because now things has changed. Now, I'm not here to scare you, to give you any FUD, any FOMO. I don't do that. I just look at the price chart. So let's talk about this difference that the market has now made. Because going forward, we now know that this area, $380, is used as a sell area. So as long as Bitcoin Cash price trades below this top horizontal line, we already know that the overall market is weak, because they have the opportunity to go higher. Let's not forget, they have the opportunity to break price above $380. The buyers did, but they didn't do it. We appreciate that information. So if you wasn't able to get 4 3/4% out the market then, and you were to get out now, you're down 9%. Now that 9% may seem like a lot, but if price in Bitcoin Cash is going to continue to drop, then your loss is going to increase as well. So let's talk about this real quick, because I want to show you that not only are we still confirming that Bitcoin Cash is now trending weaker, how low do you think price is going to go? Right? It just confirms that, if anything, we can still see Bitcoin's cash price bounce in between these two lines, right? We at least understand that that's a probable thing that can occur going forward. Okay, so Bitcoin Cash currently is in a trading range. Okay, cool. Right? Let's look at this on the 2-day time frame, because the 2-day time frame also confirms that the sellers are dominating the market in Bitcoin Cash. Right there. That 2-day price bar literally tells us that there's still weakness here. You might not like it, but it's there. 3-day time frame is even worse. You guys can see right here on this 3-day price bar that there's still weakness here into the market at Bitcoin Cash. So we need to determine how low can market go, right? Now, it may not fall far. Like I said, we're seeing Bitcoin Cash trade within a trading range. So the price may actually bounce here, $315. And the resumption to higher prices can continue from there. $315. So I got a couple of price targets already that I'm looking for price to go down to. 315 is one, 300 is second, all the way back down to 275. Those are the 3 price targets already. Bitcoin Cash on the 5-day. So here it is, 2 days and 13 hours left, and the market currently is looking this way. All right, you can see it. Weekly time frame. Still got 2 days and 13 hours left on this weekly bar, and we're still seeing that the market is weak. From a weekly perspective, look at this. Look at all this volume that came in last week, the week of March 21st, 2022. Look at all that volume, right? And it's a very small spread. What does it represent? A decent amount of volume came through on that week, but the spread has been small. Seems to me by the price action on this current weekly price bar that there was a lot of selling going on during the week of March 28th, 2022. There was more selling going on that week, because if not, price would not be giving us this weakness right now in Bitcoin Cash. So let me take this back over to the daily. Not here to waste too much of your time. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Like I told you, I already got 3 price targets, right? I already got it. First one is 315. Okay, 315. Around that particular area. That gives us around 4.5%. My second price target is 300. 9%. All right. All the way back down to 280. That's my third price target. Gives us 15%. Now, you guys can see it. We're just still trading within range. So it's not like it's all detrimental and horrible and you know, something to be massively worried about right now. It doesn't reflect that. But I'm still anticipating the downward trend in Bitcoin Cash to continue as of right now. And we already know here, 360 is our first area of restriction, but we definitely know that 380 is restriction. So as long as Bitcoin Cash price trades below $380, we're going to continue to expect some slight downtrending price action to occur. It's just that simple. So now all we have to do is kick back, let the market continue to trade, and every once in a while we'll come through, see how it's acting. If it's acting erratic, if it's actually changing from what we originally intended, we know we need to cut the play zone. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. It's your turn. I'll leave the comment section open so that you all can give it a stab, so you all can try it yourself as to just by looking at the price chart, right? Just look at it and let it speak to you. Try to investigate what this market is really up to. And you begin to see a whole different world as to how this market really works. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.